लॉगर इम्प्लीमेंट करना था, तो थोड़ा तो लोड आता ही, लेकिन इसके साथ प्रॉम्प्ट लिखिए। I have still this much. Second one, please implement in all the project. In all project, let's first we target that we see in the screen. Sure. And it gives me the option that I will write this. Sounds good. Yes, good. Please implement. Now, this is Gemini 2.5 Pro is going to implement the logger system in this project. Why we need it? Because there is unnecessary noise like this we get over here. So we don't like that. I want to switch it off so that I can track some important thing. So these are the spreads. So now agent is going to eliminate all such things and convert into a proper logging mechanism automatically. Here the updated create status view this. I will add the changes now. Does that look right to you? Does that look right to me? Yes. When it's going to implement, then I wish to look that time, because in red what code gets deleted and in blue what code gets added. That is most helpful for me. Like this, definitely I don't follow the code in this manner. So it's running. Okay, so this gives the code. All the blue part is gets added and the red parts get deleted. Let's see how many red parts are there. Print. It removes all the print, I suppose. Yeah, majorly it removes print and convert it into log. That's the best thing. I like this. Once I like this, I say yes. And here you can see these files laid logger.save gets added, and it make changes in the file tree monitor, get a status monitor. Okay, get a status monitor is now using the new logger. Next is file tree monitor.save. I will do the same thing, replace all print the log function. Ready to proceed? Yes. There is one issue I found. Learn project logout. That's we are going to correct next over here in our project, and in front of you only, means in front of the camera. We are going to correct this issue. So this is the issue with the agent, and agent only is going to correct it. If necessary, we used to give the logs to the agent so that agent will understand what's the issue. This is like, does this looks correct? Is this asking? So this is the chat Gemini 2.5 Pro style. If we use Cloud Force on it, have different style. If we use GPT-5 mini, it has different style. So every LLM has their own style. So LLM have their style, and some thing which is required by all the LLM is there in the system, built into the system. So adding a logging mechanism definitely is simple, but still a work, right? But with wipe coding and AI agent, it will do automatically for you. So why not? Let's see if it doesn't remove anything which we didn't want. It's all fine. Blue things are fine. Let's see the red things. Red things also looks fine. I try to see in red things basically if it removes major of the code, then that is a red signal for me. So that I try to look at. Once I looked at, yes, all looks fine. No cognitive load. इतना ही पहले कंपाइल करके देखते हैं कि कैसा चल रहा है. Let's see this much only first, then we move ahead. So we don't do anything. We just going to break it and rerun it. And then this much all noise, I think not there, but other things should be there, like row response and all the things. So what we do is we give the screenshot to our agent, and agent will handle the next. So this will run again, and this is the chatting file. Once we open the file needs to be start from the very bottom, right? Not at the top, because every time when I load it, I need to take it to the down. So we put the logic that now we see. So this much is again creating like get status monitor, get the branch and all the things. No. This is the old one. Let's go to the new one. New one log is this. Oh, it's also too much. I don't want all such noise as well. Let's give the screenshot to our agent. See, there is no mental load I am taking right now. Right now, I need to decide basically what we need to do. So this is the problem, right? So we just give it, and we do not need to say anything but say, please take care of these logs as well. Enter. So no cognitive load on your mind. It's all your agent is going to take care of that. And in between, if I want, I can change this to Cloud 4, Grok, or DeepSeek. You got it. I see other logs in your screenshot. It looks like the selection coordinator and successful access security scoped resources messages are also creating noise. This. Ready to proceed? Yes. There is another interesting system over there. Ready to proceed? Then my answer is generally yes or something like that. Then agent needs to give option. We also going to build that as well in the near future. Okay, does this looks correct? Yes, correct. I don't read it, but I want to see the difference basically. Now the people are saying that vibe coding is not good or it's not working. It's working, but the tool should be right. Excellent. What is an updated? And you need to understand something over there based on the screenshot selection coordinator. You need to write the file. What he did is he's not going to write the file, and by looking at the above, so this type of error is made by Gemini 2.5 Pro, but not other LLMs that need to be that we need to take care of. Well, there what is World UI VM? It deletes all the content that we not required. So basically, this is the thing that I'm talking about. I don't want to see is thread. You are absolutely right. My apologies. I have added now the red World UIM. Delete original code deletion errors. No, you need to update the code only. Basically, this is the error made by the Gemini 2.5 Pro. That's why I more relied on Cloud Force on it. This is not working. So what I'm doing is stop anything. Now we give chance to other LLM basically. I don't want the Gemini to continue the work because such a fool. So let's do it. To I think I need to build a system for this. So for now, I'm going to delete it from where it make mistake. This needs to be also an option that till where definitely that is in the development from where we need to differentiate the path so that we do not need to delete all such things and just we take the side from some path and get it done. You need to write the file. To write it. Yeah, we reach up to this point, right? Please take care of these logs as well. So this, I suppose, let's take the help of Sonnet. Please take care of these logs as well. Yes, please. Now you see we have started with the Gemini 2.5 Pro and we just switch it to the Cloud 4. Enter. We need to create a copy here. So this is the style of Cloud 4 basically. Perfect. I can see logs clearly. This is more good, I suppose to say. File tree monitor get stage one is selection coordinator, security scope sources. Now I going to read the file. Let's see if we run it from local or somewhere else. I suppose we running it from local only. Warning development. No. From where it is running if it is not running from here. Let's run from the production API. So this is the reality of vibe coding. Since you need to involve, but we try to build the agent in such a manner that we are going to reduce this only in vibe coding and make it flawless. Like if there is a feature of up to here only, we can create a different chat history over here. Then simply we need to delete 4 5 items. Instead of this, we just click it and take the different path over there and do the maths from there. See, now it's working very good. Cloud Force on it. So this is one of the benefit of switching the LLM over here. It's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me go down to the here. Yes, that I want to see. If you close your eyes and anonymously and randomly accept the code, that is not going to work. Then vibe coding is not a good idea, right? Vibe coding is bad for you. You need to be aware of for now until the agent is not that much smarter, so you need to be smart. Now it's going to take the file world. Let's do, let's do that. That's why I trust more onto the cloud efforts on it. But what happens over here is cloud efforts on it eats credit. It takes money basically. It takes less money. That's why previously I have selected Gemini 2.5 Pro. DeepSeek also takes less money. I can give it a try as well to the DeepSeek V3. It's actually working. It's actually working in a very less price. But the one thing only, data goes to the Chinese government. But I don't fear that my data goes to the Chinese government. Let them use it. Yeah, it's good. Cloud Force on it done a good job. Mhm. Yes. No, I think this is enough. It needs to be stopped. I again run it and see what is the result over here in console. This is also too much. I don't want such noise over there. I don't want anything over here. When I say something is going to be log, then only it needs to be log. Otherwise, it should not come here. Tab manager, tab view bar. Now this Cloud Force on it is going to check all other files. Let the Cloud to check. Let the Cloud to check. We take the coffee, or we can. I can talk to you, but that is not the thing over here because we are in incubation center. What you are seeing currently is this is the Ujjain incubation center. Let me write the code. It's not in the automation mode. So why didn't it? Why review? I think let's stop the agent. We need to use this button. because it's going to be continuous over that. Now it's going to read the file review. Why? There is no sense. Let's break it out. So what is there in the process that is going to be run, and then our agent is going to stop.
Welcome to the GPT-5 build hour. I'm Christine. I'm on the startup marketing team.
We can also break it as well, and then run it. Yeah, this time little less. Only this green and okay. Yeah, get a status monitor. File system event detected. Let's see, where is this? Okay, all the thing is red. If we don't want, then we need to do verbose equal to false. So we need to go into the file where shared. Let's break it down. Shared lead logger. Okay, here verbose is true. Let's make it false. Save it. We, we need to just do this only. And I thought why the log is not reduced. This is the reason. Let's see the log now. Yeah, that is good. There's no problem over there. Now there is no much noise over there. Now I can see through the code clearly. If I want to see anything, I will put the print over there again and remove the print. The only thing is agent feels that agent wants something. Agent will put the log over there. I give the log to the agent, then agent will work like that. Yeah. So this is the truth. This is how and a work actually gets completed with the vibe coding. You need to involve yourself. Otherwise, it's not going to work. This work is completed. So, bye bye. We meet into some other next work with the vibe coding.